Hello and welcome to Superfone. My name is Tarun and in this video, I'll show you how to import contacts in your Superfone app. This is an essential step that helps you keep your contacts organized and easily assign leads to your team, which in turn helps you close sales faster. Please note, the process is slightly different for those who use our business phone plan and our all-in-one CRM plan. I covered a step-by-step guide for both, so make sure you watch the video till the end. Let's dive right in. First things first, you can add contacts to Superfone in two ways. A single contact at a time and in bulk using a CSV file. So after you open the Superfone app, go to the contact section. Click on the plus icon on the bottom right corner. You will see four options to add new contacts. Create new, from your device, upload file and WhatsApp. To add a single contact at a time, click on Create New option. Then, pick a relevant lead stage. Pick a team member you want to assign the lead to. Then, add a suitable tag which can be edited to suit your needs. Then, add the first name, last name, contact details, any additional phone number and any other contact details such as emails, website, etc. and click on Save. This will save the contact information in the Superfone app. To look for any contact, you can either search them by the name or who they are assigned to, tags attached to them, or their lead stage. Now let's look at how to add contacts using the From Your Device option. As the name suggests, this allows you to import contacts from your phone book of your device. When you click on this option, all the contacts stored in your phone will be listed. You can either pick one or multiple contacts from your phone book and then click on Import Contacts. Now let's see how to import multiple contacts using a CSV file. Click on Upload File, then click on Download Template File option. Once downloaded, you will find the file in your Downloads folder on your phone. Add the contact details in the template file and save it and upload it by clicking here and you're done. This will instantly add all the contacts in the file to your Superfone app. Please note, it is important for you to add contacts to the template file provided and use the same file to upload the contacts. You must also enter the name and the primary number for every contact in their respective columns. If this is not done correctly, the import will fail. Now let's look at how the bulk uploads of contacts work for Superfone All-in-One CRM users. If you are a Superfone All-in-One CRM user, after you have uploaded the CSV file, you will be directed to the contact settings section. Here, you must add important details such as contact group, lead stages, tags, assigned to, and tasks. After filling in these details, click on Complete. Now your contacts have successfully added as leads with tasks assigned and ready to be worked on. And just like that, you can keep your customer contacts well organized on Superfone, which makes tracking them very easy and helps in closing sales faster.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions about Superfone, drop them in the comments below. We'll definitely try and respond to them. For more tutorials and tips on growing your business with Superfone, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Wishing you success. Happy business building.